welcome back to Mimi Homestyle. Winter is the perfect time to enjoy some relaxing indoor hobbies that help us unwind and stay cozy. And today I'm going to share some simple hobbies that you can do at home that are fun, stress-free, and perfect for these chilly months. So let's dive in.
Winter is the perfect time to cozy up with a relaxing hobby. And first up, diamond painting. This craft is so soothing, you'll simply place tiny sparkling gems onto a sticky canvas, and by the end, you have a beautiful shimmering work of art. It's a quiet, meditative activity that helps you unwind. If you're new to diamond painting, I recommend starting with something small like a bookmark or keychains. But if you're ready for a bigger challenge, go for a large canvas. It's perfect for a cozy evening at home. And I got mine on Amazon, but you can also find these at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Now let's go over what you get in a kit. Each set comes with a canvas, diamond beads, a tray, a stylus, and a sticky pad. The sticky pad helps pick up the beads so you can place them precisely on the canvas. And every bead pack is labeled with a number or letter so you'll know exactly where to place each color. To get started, you'll simply dip the stylus into the sticky pad, pick up a bead, and match it to the correct spot on the canvas. The canvas itself has clear symbols to guide you, making the process easy and enjoyable. And once you're done, you'll have a beautiful beaded masterpiece ready for framing. I love how relaxing and rewarding this hobby is, so whether you're a beginner or experienced, diamond painting is a great way to unwind and create something beautiful. Another one of my favorite winter hobbies is coloring. It's such a wonderful way to express creativity while unwinding. And whether you're filling in intricate mandalas, flowers, or seasonal designs, there's something so satisfying about bringing a page to life with color. Grab some colored pencils, gel pens, or markers, and just let your imagination run wild. I love how coloring isn't just relaxing, it also helps take your mind off stress. There's something about the repetitive motion, the blending of colors, and seeing the picture come together that just melts the day away. And the best part, you're left with a beautiful page that feels like a little accomplishment. For me, coloring is all about setting the mood. I love sitting at my desk in my craft room, turning on some of my favorite tunes and getting lost in the colors. I keep my pencils organized in a nice binder, and I even store some in a clear shoebox, so everything is easy to grab. Having my supplies neat and ready to go makes it even more enjoyable. I also love collecting coloring books. I always pick them up on my travels and from local shops, and sometimes I even print designs from the internet when I find something fun. This book I'm using now is really special. I found it at Hallmark, and it features all of their classic Christmas ornaments. It's such a nostalgic way to bring the holiday spirit to life. Do you love to color? I remember as a kid getting that big box of crayons with the sharpener on the back. There was nothing better. And I'd spend hours coloring on cold winter days, filling up page after page. It's funny how something so simple can bring so much joy, even as an adult. If you haven't tried coloring yet, I highly recommend it. It's an easy, stress-free hobby that lets you be creative without pressure. So grab a book and pick your favorite colors and just have fun with it. One of my absolute favorite hobbies is searching for vinyl records. There's just something so special about flipping through stacks of albums, looking for those hidden gems that bring back memories. And my husband and I love making a day of visiting record stores in our area, and even when we travel, we try to find local shops to explore. A few years ago, I got a fantastic record player for Christmas, and ever since, I've been building my collection. And it's such a nostalgic and fun way to enjoy music. There's nothing like the crackle of a vinyl record as it spins instantly, taking me back to my younger years. And right now, I'm showing my record player and a stack of albums that I've collected. Some are used, some brand new, and I have a mix of favorites like Michael Bublé and Lindsey Sterling, my beloved Motown records, and of course Dolly Parton. I'm also a huge fan of 70s albums, so I have classics like Saturday Night Fever, Lionel Richie, and Hall & Oates. And then there are my Christmas albums. I have a big collection of favorites, including Dolly and Kenny's holiday album and a really special Firestone Christmas album that was once in my dad's collection. They used to sell these at tire shops back in the day, and I'm currently on the hunt to collect all of them. One of my coolest finds was an album that opens up into a winter Christmas scene, and it only cost me $2. I love putting on a record during the day while I'm cooking dinner or cleaning, and there's something about listening to music this way that just makes everything feel more special. Lately, I've even started collecting old 45s. I remember running straight to Kmart as a kid to check out the latest releases, and my dad would take me to Harmony House whenever he was looking for a new album. Those memories make collecting vinyl even more fun for me. Do you collect records? If so, what's your favorite find? One of my favorite hobbies, especially in the winter, is collecting recipe books and trying new recipes. I've been collecting cookbooks for years, finding them everywhere from used bookstores and clearance sales to souvenir shops when I travel. I always look for local recipes and even books from my favorite celebrities. It's such a delicious hobby. Winter is the perfect time to experiment in the kitchen, and whether you're collecting cookbooks for future inspiration or diving into a new dish, cooking and baking are great ways to spend time indoors. And I love getting creative in the kitchen. It's such a fun way to unwind, and of course, the best part is enjoying the reward of a delicious meal or dessert. Some cookbooks have the most beautiful pictures and stories behind them, which makes them even more special. A couple of my favorites are my Little House on the Prairie cookbook and one from Mackinac Island. I love finding books that bring a little nostalgia or a glimpse into a different way of cooking. And if you're looking for a fun winter challenge, you could set a goal to try one new recipe each week, or even go through an entire cookbook and document your experience. This past Christmas, I was so excited to receive a nostalgic Betty Crocker cookbook, and I can't wait to start cooking my way through it. For today's recipe, though, I decided to make these amazing brown butter chocolate chip cookies from a Pioneer Woman cookbook that I found at an Ollie's store near my house for just $6. And let me tell you, these cookies were absolutely delicious. I even wrapped up a few and gifted them to a neighbor who recently shoveled our snow. And that's one of the things that I love most about baking. It's such a sweet way to share joy with others. Do you have a go-to recipe that you love to make in the winter? Let me know in the comments below. So if you're looking for even more ideas, you might enjoy journaling, whether it's writing down daily thoughts, gratitude, or even starting a travel journal. Puzzles are another great way to unwind. You can find these at the Dollar Tree and on Amazon. And if you love hands-on activities, trying out a DIY home spa day with face masks and foot soaks can be really fun. You can learn to make your own bath salts and candles with scents. And if you enjoy learning new things, picking up a new language with an app or even practicing calligraphy could be a great way to pass the time. And for those who love movement, indoor gardening with small potted plants or herbs can bring a little nature inside during the colder months. The Dollar Tree already has seeds and pots and more to get you started. Now, you can even go onto YouTube. It teaches us so many things like painting and crafts and cooking and drawing. In fact, I just got me a paint by number, and it came with everything that I need. And this is something I've always wanted to try. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm really excited about trying that out. And my favorites in the past have been like crocheting, and there are even mini kits to get you started with this. The Dollar Tree and the hobby and the craft stores have yarn and step-by-step booklets, as well as classes to teach you how to crochet and sew. And I also taught myself how to sew. And I found templates and ideas on Pinterest throughout the years. I created gifts for friends and family while I was learning. And a favorite of mine right now is going through all of my photo albums and digitizing them for my family. It's fun to reminisce, and I want my kids to have these when I'm gone. So I've also went through things in these books that I really don't think that they'll be that interested in. So I'm doing a little cleaning out of the photos that I don't need. So I hope all of these ideas will inspire you today to start a hobby for the winter. Don't let that cabin fever get to you this year. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope these hobbies help you relax
and stay cozy during the winter months. If you have any favorite hobbies to share, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cozy content. I'll see you next time, friends. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.